Many traders do not blow up because of a bad strategy. They blow up because of a bad reaction after taking a loss. That emotional reaction has a name: revenge trading. You take a loss, feel angry or ashamed, and want it back fast. Instead of following your plan, you suddenly trade from pure emotion. You increase size, reduce thinking time, and click without proper analysis. The goal becomes punishing the market, not managing your risk. For a few minutes, your account becomes a weapon for your ego. Sometimes, this revenge trade wins, and that is the most dangerous part. A lucky win teaches your brain that emotional gambling can feel profitable. But over many trades, revenge trading always destroys risk management. Your average loss grows bigger, and your winners stay the same size. The equity curve starts to show sudden, deep crashes after big, emotional trades. This is why professional traders treat revenge trading as a system error. It is not just a bad mood, it is a recurring behavior pattern. If you do not name it, you cannot see it while it's happening. So first, give it a label. This is revenge mode, not trading mode. Whenever a loss makes you want to immediately trade bigger, that is revenge mode. Your job as a trader is to detect this mode before you click. In the next sections, we will scan, map, and then shut down revenge mode. Revenge trading is not just a bad habit, it is a brain hijack. After a painful loss, your emotional brain activates faster than your logical brain. The part that reacts to threat and pain jumps in first. The part that calculates probability and risk comes in too late. In that tiny gap, your finger can already be clicking a new trade. This is why you often say, "I knew it was stupid," after the trade. At the moment of action, you are not in trader mode. You are in threat response mode, trying to attack the market back. Anger, frustration, and the need to prove yourself all spike at once. Your brain wants to remove the pain of being wrong as fast as possible. So it offers you the fastest relief, double size, and win it back now. In that state, you ignore rules, ignore risk, and ignore your plan. You stop seeing setups. You only see opportunities to get even. This is the classic emotional loop behind revenge trading. Loss triggers emotion. Emotion triggers impulsive trade. Impulsive trade triggers bigger loss. Each loop makes the emotional response stronger and the discipline weaker. Over time, the brain learns to react, not to follow process. Professional traders reverse this. They train the brain to follow rules under stress. You do not need zero emotion. You need a stronger process than your emotion. In the next section, we will install that process to break the revenge loop. You cannot remove losses from trading, but you can remove revenge trades. The goal is not zero emotion. The goal is a fixed ritual after pain. When you feel the urge to win it back immediately, that is your alarm. From now on, that alarm does not mean trade. It means reset ritual. First step in the ritual. Say the emotion out loud in simple words. For example, I feel angry and I want to get it back right now. Naming the emotion turns on the logical part of your brain again. Second step, physically step away from the screen for a few minutes. No charts, no P&L, no buttons, only distance from the trigger. Third step, use a short breathing pattern to calm the nervous system. Inhale for 4 seconds, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Repeat this a few times until your body feels less tight and urgent. Only after the ritual ends are you allowed to review the situation. Now you check the chart, your plan, and your journal with a cooler head. You ask, if this trade was my first trade of the day, would I take it? If the honest answer is no, the decision is simple. You do not trade. Alongside this ritual, you also set a hard daily loss limit. For example, if I hit my loss limit or 2 losses in a row, I stop. This rule disconnects your brain from the idea of getting it back today. Revenge trading is natural, but with a ritual and limits, it cannot control your account.